Welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will be explaining to you how to pull data from the Instagram Graph API. I wrote a very simple script that anyone can follow, even if you are not a programmer. It's in Python, but it's just a bunch of variables and one loop, while loop. Okay, that will do the job. I expect you to already have an access token and to already have your user ID, your Instagram user ID for your account. Okay, once you have those two things, you are okay to follow this video. And if you don't know how to get them, I can make videos that will teach you how to get the access token, how to get the user ID, and also I communicate with Google Sheets using Python. If you have questions about it, I can also make videos about that. Okay, now it's time to explain the function. There's a link below this video that where you can get the codes. It's a GitHub. You can go to GitHub and copy the code, but the explanation is very important to save time, to help you save time, because a little mistake, can waste you a lot of time. I don't expect you to write. You just copy the script. Link below this video. Import request, import JSON, domain. Make sure you have what you need, and that's it. My Insta ID, my Instagram account ID. I've used the variable because I don't want you to see the ID of the account that I used, to get the access token and all that. Part A, start with a question mark, field, business, discovery, username, then opening parenthesis. Okay, then there's part B. This is a list, list of the people or the account or the profile that I want to get data from. Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, Nicki Minaj, and Will Smith. Part C is what you see there. Close the parentheses, media. Okay, open bracket, caption, media, URL. That's all I need. I only need the media URL. I could I could have written something like media type if I wanted to get the type of the media that I'm requesting, but I'm only interested in the last media that the artist posted. Okay, artist or the business account, the Instagram business account that posted. I can only pull data from the artist account, creator account, or business account. This is what this script can do, not the personal account. Okay, so the access token, that's very important to make sure this part is there. You replace everything after the equal sign, and you make sure there's a quotation at the end because it's a string. Make sure it's there. And the most important part is this one is not to be deleted. This part is not supposed to be deleted. There's another variable here, box. This is where everything that I will get back from Instagram will be stored. Okay, the while loop will pull what I need and push them to the box, and that's it. Just what I need. The Instagram API will retain like a whole page for each person in the list, but I don't need like all the posts. For me, I'm only interested in the last post. Okay, and in the while loop, while I, for the moment, I has the value of 0, while I less than len part B, I repeat, part B is a list. So the while loop will be going through each artist. At first, it'll make an API call for Justin Bieber, get the data, and push them to the box. Another call for Selena Gomez, get the data, and push to the box. Nicki Minaj, data, push. Will Smith, data, push. Okay? So this is the URL where all the variables are combined to create the URL. This URL, if I print it, I can, after calling, I can, get, to see what's inside the JSON file folder, the JSON that will be coming back from the YouTube, the Instagram graph API. I'll be able to see it if I paste it in a browser. But for the moment, I'm not printing. I'm not printing it. I will just run the cell, and yeah, we go from there. Okay. All right. So you understand everything. The try and accept. That is because the script cannot pull data from personal account. These people are expected to have like business or creator account. These the ones that are put here, but maybe you'll be dealing with people who do not have creator or business account. Then what you'll get back is the just an empty string. You will get back an empty string because there's nothing to come back from those people. Okay, if there's something to come back, for me, based on what I've requested, I'm supposed to have the media URL of each person in the list, and if they have business or creator account, and the caption. That's what I was interested in. If you'll be interested in something else and you don't know how to format your link, I can help you with that. I can assist you with that. Like I repeat, if I wanted the media type or something, I was going to put it here inside media here. But now I only want 2 items, and the caption and the media URL. Okay, enough talking. Let me run the cell and see what we get back. Boom. Okay, it's running. Oh, it's finished already. All right, now let's see what we got back. Okay, let me run print the box and see what's inside the box. Okay, all this is just to get inside the JSON response and pull the data. All this and the whole while loop. That's the job that the while loop is doing, and making the call. The call is made inside the while loop. Okay, now let me print. Okay, we have something back, and yeah, we have something back. That's good. That means we had a good response. And now print the box. I've already printed the box, and now the box length. Let me print the length of the box to see if we have data from everybody that have requested. Okay, the length of the box is 4, and that's it. Even if here I have 2 items, caption and link, but it's inside the list, so it's counted as 1. That's good. And yeah, remember that when nothing comes back, it means the artist do not have any post, or the person that you're getting data, trying to get data from, do not have a creator or business account. Yeah, like this one here, this is Nicki Minaj. She doesn't have a creator or business account. Everything look messy, I understand, but you can play with that on your own. Okay, I was just focusing on teaching you how to pull data. I know where the link starts and where it ends. Like this one is the first link, and yeah, this is the caption. Happy Valentine's Day. See you tonight. Journal Live. Okay, Journals Live. That's from Justin Bieber. I've tested everything before starting to make the video. Okay, let me see what we get here. It's a video of Justin Bieber singing and dancing. Okay, good. You see Justin Bieber, and that's it. That means the function, the script is working. Other than that, we have the caption, which I've already read, and there's another link. This one, is it another video? I don't know. Okay, this one could, this one is an image. Okay, it's a JPEG. It starts here. How do I know where it starts? Okay, it's easy. This is a list from here. This is a list, and this is the end of the first list. It's beginning of the second list, and the end is somewhere. It ends here. Okay, for now, let me just get the URL of the second person, and let's see if it's working. Okay, the second person, who was it? I don't know. I don't remember. We will check. Selena Gomez. Okay, beautiful image of that Selena Gomez posted. Okay, all right. So you know now that it's working. The script is working. We have nothing for Nicki Minaj because I think her account now is just personal. She has a baby. I don't know whether she is performing actually, or well, I don't know anything about her at the moment. Then there's Will Smith. Okay, if you what you request is not the last item, that's probably because the last item, the last post, the last media, maybe it was promoted, or it contains copyrighted material, and you cannot pull those kind of data if if it has copyrighted material. You cannot pull those kind of data. Okay, so now you have seen that the function, the script is working, and I've mentioned to you that I can make videos of teaching you how to manipulate Google Sheets with Python. I do that a lot. And anything that has to do with Instagram API, you can ask a question. If I know, I will make a video and teach you. If I don't know, I will reply and telling you that I don't know that yet, but I'm good with Instagram API and also Google API, and yes, especially YouTube Data API. So I expect you to subscribe. I expect you to like the video. You can comment if you want. And I also expect you to go to GitHub and copy the link. Thank you so much. If you're not using Python, if you don't know Python, it's nothing complicated, okay? It's just this bunch of variables that's doing the job. And you only need to learn to know how to make a request. That's it. This is another variable that just combine the variables together to make the URL. That's it. So you don't have to use Python. You can just modify the script and transform it to convert it to a JavaScript, Java, C++, whatever language that you are more familiar with. Enough talking. I've reached the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I say bye bye.